Okay, London, you need the screen or not? You use the computer? Okay, good. So I don't need, yeah, okay, good. Okay. Hello. Okay. Next Monday, you will take quiz number 2 from chapter 11. It will be during the after finish chapter 8. Then I will give you time to do this quiz number 2 from chapter 11. And last time earlier we did went over previous quiz number 2. So you may practice. So you may use example question in lecture note, and then practice problem, and also this one. So practice, prepare for quiz number 2 next Monday. Okay, any question about the quiz number 2? Is it clear?
Yep.
By the way, Daniel, you will come to class, right?
Yeah, Mondays, yeah.
Do you need an paper quiz?
Yeah, I could do it on paper if you want me to.
Okay.
That will work.
Okay, good. I will prepare a couple of paper quiz. Okay. And today I will go over chapter 15 practice problem. This one. Just a moment. Make sure if you are okay. Okay, now you can see the practice problem, right? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So this one is assignment method. Quiz number 3 from this one. So work together. So first step, subtract smallest on row all from all number and itself. So on this row, 3 is smallest. We'll type 3 there. And then here, second row, 3 again, smallest. And on third row, 2. And next row, 5. Then subtract, and then I will type 7 minus 3 is 4. And 9 minus 3 is 6. 0, 2. The next row, 3 minus 3, so 0. And next row, next one is 11 minus 3 is 8. And 7 minus 3 is 4. And 6 minus 3 is 6. 3. If we can do work together like me, and 4 minus 2 is 2, and 5 minus 2 is 3. 6 minus 2 is 4. 2 minus 2 is 0. And next row, 5 minus 5 is 0. 9, 5, 4, and 5, 4, 5. And 12, 5 is 7. Okay, after done like this, and then next step is subtract smallest on column. So on this column, 0, so it doesn't matter. And this column, 3. So subtract 3 from there. Then 0, doesn't matter. And 0, it doesn't matter. So don't touch this column. So I will copy and paste. And this column, other column, I will copy and paste. And this column, 6 minus 3, that is 3. And then 8 minus 3 is 5. 3 minus 3 is 0. And 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay, now using a line cover 0, all zeros. To do that, I said if there are 2 or more 0 on column or row, cover that row or column first. So this column, there are 2, 0, 0. I can use a pen. So use a pen, then cover like this. But if you cannot do, then you may use color change, so like this. This column, highlight like this. Then you may use design and then shading. So I will use yellow. So this is like a line. And then cover this one and this one. You may use vertical, you may use horizontal. Let's use horizontal. So this line, there are 2 here. So cover this wall using color, yellow or whatever. I will use other color. Okay. Cover like this. And then this one, to cover this one, you may use horizontal or vertical. Let's use horizontal. And I will use other color, maybe this one. Okay. I need 3 lines to cover all 0. But n for this example is 4 because 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the number of line is not n, less than n. So we need another step. Another step is among numbers not covered by line. We change that numbers. Highlight using blue. Okay. Oops, I can see. Maybe a lighter one. Lighter color.
Dr. Kim,
Yes.
I just wanted to clarify. So the third line, it doesn't matter horizontal or vertical?
No, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
But then I said when you start, if there are two or more,
Yeah.
Then this one to cover 20, then vertical, right?
Right.
And then to cover 20 here, horizontal. But to cover this one,
Mm-hmm.
you can use vertical, you can use horizontal.
Okay.
So it doesn't matter. Okay, then I need to change this color with this one. So if I use line, then it's easy, but to show you how to use the color, okay, like this. So among them, numbers not covered by line, 5, 4, 3, 1, 5, 7. Among them, smallest is this one, 1. So subtract 1 from numbers not covered by line. Covered line numbers, don't touch them. So I will copy and paste, and then this column row covered. So I will touch and then just copy and paste, and then this row. And then numbers not covered by line, subtract 1 from those numbers. So 4, 5 minus 1 is 4. And 4 minus 1 is 3. And 3 minus 1 is 2. And 1 minus 1 is 0. And 5 minus 1 is 4. 7 minus 1 is 6. And then again, try to cover. There are 2 0 here and then 2 0 here. So I will cover this and this. Or you can cover this row because there are 2. It doesn't matter. So I will use all yellow. This column. And then this row. Change. And this one, maybe this one also, there are 2, but this time only 1 left, so it doesn't matter vertical or horizontal. So I will use this one horizontal, and then this one left, so vertical. So I used 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. So if the number of line satisfy n is 4. So the number of line is 4 and the n is 4. So now we can assign, so 0 here, 0 here, then 0 here, and here. Make this wider. And then 0 here, and 0 here. To assign, if there is only one option for A, we can assign this one. Maybe I can use assign that one. Use yellow, and it doesn't affect other. And then this one, A, B, only one can be assigned. So assign this one. And then this one cannot assign because B occupy already. So I will change this one as red. Then we can assign this one. Then this one cannot be assigned. And then this one assigned. So I will use a pen now. A can be assigned 3, this one. B assigned to 1. C assigned to 4, 4. And then B can assign to 2. And then from original table, the first one, cost. A to 3, 3, this one. B to 1, this one. C to 4, this one. D to 2, this one. So $3, $2, $2, and $9. The total cost will be 6, 8, and 7. Okay. Question? Okay, if we don't have a question, then previous quiz question.
So
Yeah.
because for the example, like if it says A has 3, so
Yeah.
that's because the 0
Because
in the
A,
last chart is located under job 3.
yes. So
Okay.
job 3, so cost is this one. And then B assigned A 1. So under 1 is $3. And it right? Like that, okay? C assigned 4, so under 4 is $2. Then D assigned 2 under 2. That's it. Okay. And you have previous quiz number 3 on Moodle. So open that one. This problem make sure if you can see this one. Okay, I will give you about 5 minutes. So look at it. Then if you can try, then if you have a question, then ask me, then I will answer you. And after that, I will go over with this. So try. If you don't try, then later without me, then you may need more time to, in case you don't know, then to figure out, you need more time. Try. Any question?
I have a question.
Okay.
So I got towards the end,
Mm-hmm.
but if there's a zero, like if there's more than 1 0 for that row,
Mm-hmm.
how do I know which one to pick?
Then try to find if there is another row or column 2 or more 0.
Mhm.
And if you cannot see 2 or more 0 column or row, then anyone is okay. So any left 0. Then use a horizontal or a vertical, it doesn't matter to cover those. Did I answer you?
I meant when like towards the very last step when you have to choose like assign individual to a job.
I will tell about that later
Okay.
with this example.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay, any other question? Okay, let's do it together. Okay, again, first step, find the smallest on row. So on this row, this one, 1300, so 1300. And next row, 1400. And next row, 1300. Next row, 1600. So subtract the smallest on the row. So that is 150, 0, 350, and 450. And next row, here, 100, 300, and 0. Any moment, if you don't understand or don't know, then ask me, then I will explain again. 500, or if I make a mistake, then let me know. 0, 300, next row, 0, 150, 300, no, 250. 300 and 200. And next step is column. So 0, 0, 0, doesn't matter. Here, 200. So this column, this column, this column that don't touch the same. So I will copy and then paste. And then this column, 250. And next, 200, 100, and 0. And now try to cover. So this row, there are 2. So I will cover this one using yellow. And then this column, there are 2. So using yellow. And then this one left. So you can use vertical or horizontal. If you use vertical or horizontal, maybe a different process, but the answer, the final answer will be the same. So it doesn't matter. So I will use this one, horizontal. So this problem also, number of jobs or individuals, 4, n is 4, but I use 3 lines. So we need another step. Subtract smallest from numbers not covered. So 100 is smallest among them. So I will subtract 100. Oops, that's it. It doesn't. So anyway, I will subtract 100, 100, 100, 100, 100 because among them smallest 100. So don't touch numbers covered by line. So I will copy this one, this row, then this column, and this row. Okay, now 100 minus 100 is 0. And next one 400. And 300 minus 100 is 400. And this one is 50. And then 100, 0. And again, to cover 0, use line. This one, there are 2. And this one, there are 2, there are 2. Or if you use, you cover this one first, then there are 2, and then there are 2, and there are 2, and so on. So it doesn't matter which one choose first. So I will choose this one, and choose this column, and this column. And then this one, you can use vertical or horizontal. I will use horizontal. So I used 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. So it's satisfied with that n. So we now we can assign 0 here. So 0, 0, 0, 0 here, 0 here, and 0 here, and 0 here. Okay. Now, which one you can assign? I will use pen. So A has 0 and 2. B has 1 and 3. And C has a 4 only. And then D has 1 and 4. So when we assign single available first, so assign 2 to A, and then it doesn't affect other because there is no overlap. But this one, single available 4, assign C to 4. So C occupied 4, so no longer available. So
How does
this
C
one
only have 4?
only one
Isn't
4.
there the 0 in the third job column too?
Third job column 2.
Well, so there's in row C, there's a 0 in column 3 and column 4.
Just a moment. Let me check. So I made a mistake, right?
I'm not sure. I'm trying to understand.
Okay, review. Okay. 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 I cannot find any.
I think what she means is that
Mhm.
on when you are assigning for
Mhm.
C, row C, you only put 4, but there's 2 zeros on row C.
Yes,
C.
that's what I mean.
When you look
Oh,
at the
C.
jobs, there's a 0 at number 3 and there's a 0 at job 4, at job 3 and job 4. But when you are assigning, you only have a 4 next to C, row C.
Oh, C. Here. I'm sorry.
No, at the bottom where you wrote.
Yeah. This
Right.
one,
So
right?
where your pointer was the one
I'm
on the
sorry.
right thing.
I understand. So thank you for correction.
Okay.
But so this one 3, right? So assign 4 here. Then this one. It's overlap something. One here. Weird. I'm not sure why it's like this. This case, I will do it again. Delete, and then again. A2 B2 1 and 3. C2 3 and 4. D and 1 and 4. So 2 is okay. But this case, no one has a single. So this case, try if we assign this one, and then not available. This one cannot. Then this one not available. And then assign, not available, assign, like this. Or maybe 2, 1, 3, C, 3, 4, D, 1, 4. If you assign this one, doesn't matter. If you assign 3, then not available, and then assign, not available, assign, and not available, like this. So you can assign maybe A to 1, C to 3, D to 4, or A to 2, D to 3, C to 4, D to 1. Let's check if answer is the same. Go to top. So if we assign A to 2, then 1300, 1300, and then B to 1, and then 1500, C to 3, 1300, D to 4, 1800, and if we assign A to 2, 1300, B to 3, 14, and C to 4, 16, D to 1, and 16. Okay, 2, 9, 0, 0, 5900, this one, 0, 0, and 1, 9. The same answer. So this one, previous quiz question, and then last night I changed it some, but I didn't know this multiple answer like this. But the final answer, the total cost is the same. So if when you take if this case, then maybe different assignment like this, but the answer, the total cost and answer supposed to be the same. But when you take quiz 3, then I will check again, and then I will make one available, and then only one answer. Make only one answer, then only one total cost answer. So yeah, this is a good mistake. So I can show you another case like this. Okay, any question? Okay, if you don't have a question, then let me say again, next Monday, you will take quiz number 2 from chapter 11. So prepare well. After cover chapter 8, I will give you time to do this quiz number 2. It's like now when you take the midterm quiz 1, let me see your face, okay? And before taking that quiz, I will email you the question. Okay, any question? Clear?
Starting to
Okay.
understand it a lot more.
Say again.
I'm starting to understand this a whole lot more.
Okay. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Have a good night.
Good night.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Good night.